Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook watch history in just a few seconds. Let's get started. For that, open up your Facebook application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once you have logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the menu icon right over here. Then tap on settings like icon. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below. Then under your activity, tap on activity log. And now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll this option and then tap on videos watched. Right over here, you'll then be able to find all the videos you have watched on Facebook. If you would like to delete this individually, tap on this three dot icon, then tap on delete. But if you want to delete the entire history, simply tap on clear video watch history, then tap on clear. And just like that, it will then be deleted. That's it, your Facebook watch history is now deleted. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.